7 Best No-Sugar Foods. Embrace a healthier lifestyle by reducing or eliminating added sugars from your diet. This comprehensive list covers a wide range of categories, including fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and healthy fats. Sugar intake. In America, the average person consumes a staggering 17 teaspoons of added sugars each day, significantly surpassing the recommended daily intake advised by the American Heart Association. For women, the suggested limit is approximately 6 teaspoons, and for men, it's around 9 teaspoons. One of the major concerns with added sugars is their pervasive presence in almost every processed or packaged food item. From tempting baked desserts to unsuspecting products like peanut butter, ketchup, beverages, coffee creamers, soups, cereals, breads, and crackers, sugar seems to hide everywhere. Unfortunately, these sneaky added sugars are likely contributing to various health issues and ailments plaguing many of us. Conditions like heart disease, inflammation, unwanted weight gain, and fatigue could be linked to our excessive sugar consumption. Taking control of our sugar intake can be a crucial step towards a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. How much is okay? To maintain optimal health, it is recommended that we limit our daily calorie intake from added sugars to ideally less than 5 to 10%. Let's illustrate this with an example. If a woman requires around 2,000 calories per day, depending on various factors like activity levels, then she should aim to consume fewer than 100 to 200 calories from added sugars daily. For perspective, a 12-ounce soda already contains approximately 11 teaspoons of sugar, which exceeds the recommended daily maximum of added sugar for both men and women. It's important to distinguish between added sugars found in processed and packaged foods, which pose greater health concerns, and natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. Natural sugars from whole fruits are generally considered healthy because they come with the added benefits of fiber and antioxidants. Remember, fruits do not contain added sugars, rather, they provide natural sugars along with essential fiber and antioxidants. Added sugars, on the other hand, are not naturally occurring and are artificially added to various food products. For certain individuals, particularly those with diabetes or pre-diabetes, it might be necessary to avoid all added sugars and even closely monitor natural sugar intake. In such cases, seeking guidance from a licensed healthcare provider for proper nutritional management is essential. Now let's find out the 7 best no-sugar foods. Number 7. Fruits. When it comes to natural sugars in fruits, the rule of thumb is simple. Fresh berries and green apples boast the lowest levels, while tropical fruits and dried fruits take the crown for the highest amounts. However, here's the sweet truth. All fresh fruits contain no added sugars whatsoever. So, if you're aiming to satisfy your sweet tooth without worrying about added sugars, reach for those crisp berries and green apples. Take the opportunity to pause the video and write down the list of fruits. Number 6. Vegetables. In the world of vegetables, you'll find a delightful abundance of low-sugar options. Almost all types of veggies keep their sugar levels in check, which is fantastic news for health-conscious individuals. However, some starchy fellows like white potatoes, sweet potatoes, and carrots do have slightly higher natural sugar content. Regardless of the vegetable you choose, they all seamlessly fit into a sugar-free diet, making them an excellent choice for those watching their sugar intake. If you decide to opt for canned vegetables for convenience, it's wise to exercise a little label reading diligence. Ensure that no added sugars sneak their way into those cans, allowing you to maintain your sugar-free dietary goals with confidence. Here is the list of vegetables. Number 5. Beans, legumes, and peas. When it comes to beans, legumes, and peas, they do indeed pack a good amount of carbohydrates, but the bright side is they contain low levels of natural sugars and are free from any added sugars. However, if you're considering the convenience of canned cooked beans, it's essential to be vigilant about label reading. Especially when dealing with varieties like baked beans, check to ensure that no added sugars find their way into the mix. By doing so, you can confidently enjoy the nutritional benefits of these wholesome legumes while staying true to your sugar-conscious goals. Check out the beans, legumes, and peas list. Number 4. Animal and plant proteins. When you cook proteins, They become incredibly satisfying and can play a significant role in curbing those pesky sugar cravings. Presenting the animal and plant protein selections. Number 3. Dairy products and dairy-free milk. Dairy products have natural sugars, but they also have a lot of protein. Flavored yogurts, on the other hand, usually contain a ton of added sugars. But if you choose plain, unsweetened dairy or plant-based milk, you'll avoid the extra sugars. Your guide to dairy products and dairy-free milk. Number 2. Grains. Whole grains and grain products, such as pasta, usually don't have added sugars, except for certain packaged oatmeals and cereals. You can buy whole grains in their natural state and cook them at home. Pair them with a good protein source and healthy fat for a well-rounded and balanced meal. Explore these grains. Number 1. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are fantastic snacks because they offer a perfect blend of healthy fats and protein. For maximum flavor, go for roasted and salted varieties. However, be cautious with trail mixes as they tend to include candies and added sugars. For your smoothies, nut butter is an excellent addition as a healthy ingredient to aid with weight loss. They add a delicious taste and extra nutrients to your drinks. Discover the top nuts and seeds picks. With the alarming levels of sugar intake in America, it's essential to be vigilant about hidden sugars in processed foods. By incorporating these no-sugar foods into your diet, you can make significant strides towards better health, curbing sugar-related health issues like heart disease and unwanted weight gain. Remember, natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables are generally beneficial, while added sugars in packaged foods pose health concerns. So, make the right choices, and click on the playlist to explore more foods with no carbs and no sugar, embracing a healthier, sugar-free lifestyle. Let's take this journey together toward improved well-being.